Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, I will create this model. There is 3D model. This tape, I will start from this tapered portion plus this cylindrical part that is of 40 mm dia, and this dia is 112 from here. This is actually this is the third angle projection drawing. They are the different views. One is the top view, this is the front, this is the bottom view. This is the bottom view and this is the right view, and this is the detailed view at this section. Okay, and this is the section view. First I will create this tapered part along with this cylindrical part here. This one. This dia is 112. Here you can see it, 112, and this dia is 40 mm, this cylindrical part. And total length, it is, you will see here, this total length is 120. Okay, first I will make this. Then you will see there is a bottom plate also here. This bottom plate, this is the 90 by 100 mm, and 5 mm is the shell portion. This is the wall thickness of this bottom portion. From I start file, new, part, and part is a default template. If you don't select, it automatically comes here. This one. This is the SolidWorks user interface. I am selecting background plain white, and unit system is the millimeter gram second. You can select as any other system as per your requirement. Okay. Now, I am taking right plane sketch. Okay, normal. Now, I take the line here. I start from here. First, I take the vertical line, then this horizontal line, and this is the tapered line, and then slightly straight line, horizontal, and then vertical line again, and this one, this and this one. Okay, this I am making the construction line. Okay, now smart dimension, this point and this straight construction line. If you select this construction line and go beyond the construction line, it shows the dia. If you go below this construction line, it will show the radius. Okay, but this must be construction line. Please check this thing. Then this option, this facility is available. I am taking this 112 mm. Okay, this is 112. And same way, if you select this and this shows the radius. If you go beyond this one, this shows the dia. This dia is 40 mm, this cylindrical part. 40 mm, this one, 112 is this one. Okay, and this is 5 mm only. Okay, this is a 5 mm only. And this portion and this portion, this is 25 mm as per drawing. Okay, this is as per drawing 25. Now, total length from here to here, this is 120 mm. Now, sketch is fully defined. Please note this dimension. Okay. 40 mm this cylindrical part dia, 112 mm this part, and this distance is 1220 mm, 5 mm, and this is 5 mm. Okay. Now, out of this, total length is what? Future revolve boss base. Now this warning comes. Sketch is currently open. Of course, because of this construction line, this sketch is open. Would you like the sketch to be automatic? Yes, I want to close automatically. This way comes here. Okay. Now I will create bottom plate. This bottom plate. Bottom plate, you will see this one. This bottom plate is at a height of from the center portion, that it is 656. 10 mm is this height of the plate, and dimension of the bottom plate is 90 by 100 mm. Okay, and 5 mm is this is the hollow, and 5 mm from each side. This is the wall of the bottom plate from bottom. I will show you how to create this thing. Now, this one. First, I will create a plane here. Plane, top plane. Top plane, this one. Now height is 56 mm. 56 mm, and this is going up, but I am flipping the side, this one, bottom one. This die is 56, this length is 56 from this plane, top plane up to the bottom, 56 mm. Okay, and hit right button. Now one plane is created. Select this plane, sketch normal, this one. Okay, now first try a center line. Center line is very useful in order to assign the dimensions properly. Assign them this way. Okay, actually it acts as a guide. And this corner rectangle, this one, and this one. Now this dimension from this to this is 90 mm. This dimension is 90 mm. Okay, and now select this line, shift this construction line and this line, make the relation symmetric. Okay, now this length from here to here, this length is 100 mm as per drawing. This one, sketch is fully defined. This is a 90 by 100 mm plate at a distance of 56 from the center line. Okay, now future extrude boss base. This plate extrudes, this is going up. You can reverse from the direction, but as per drawing, this is upside. Okay, and this is that. And the extrusion is edit this one, extrusion 10 mm merged, because it is merging with this tapered portion. Okay, this one. And now fillet this one, corner radius fillet this one. There are 4 options. One is the constant radius size, this is the variable, this is the face fillet, we have to select 2 face, and this is the full round fillet. In this we select 3 faces. Okay, but I am taking first option. This fillet is 5 mm radius. Okay, now circular, and I am selecting this box and select this, any edge I am selecting. Now this small window comes here. If you select second option, you will see balance 3 edges are automatically selected. I am selecting this portion. This is the fillet is created, this one. Okay, now plane, hide from here. Now this one. Now if you see the drawing, now there is a wall of 5 mm here, this one. This wall is 5 mm, and these are the, this is figure. I will create this wall. Now I am creating this wall. Later on I will create this rib. Rib is 5 mm, this one. If you see, this is the thickness of the rib, this portion, this one. If you see here section view, this is the rib, and wall is this one, this portion. Here is the width of the wall is 5 mm. I will show how you create this one. This one. Now select this face. This face is sketch normal. Okay. Now I am draw first a center line. Center line from here to here. This one, midpoint. Okay. Now select this circle. This circle convert entity. Okay. Now draw a line from this quadrant to vertical. This one, and this to this, and this vertical. This one. Okay. Now make a one relation. Select this line, shift this line and this line. Make relation symmetric. Okay. Fully defined sketch. Okay. Trim entity. This upper portion, upper half, you trim it, and this one. Okay. Now future extrude boss base. Selected contour is this one. You select this and this, but this is moving towards my side. Reverse the direction from here. And this is only 5 mm. Okay, 5. This is the wall I have created as per drawing. Now I will create a rib. If you see, this is a rib. Rib is here, this one. If front view, if this is the front view, this is the dotted portion, 5 mm. If you see, the rib is this portion. In the section also, this is showing the rib. This one. Here you see. I will create this rib. Now, okay. Now, how I will create the rib? Select this face, sketch. Select this face, sketch. Now, properly arrange this one. Okay. Now, select the corner rectangle. Make a corner rectangle here. This one. Okay. Now select the midpoint of this. Midpoint of the corner rectangle. Select shift and outer edge of this wall. Inside edge of the wall. Bottom portion. Select it. And make relation midpoint. Okay, this is the midpoint. One more relation, select this line, shift and this extreme edge of the plate, this one. Click collinear relation. Okay, now the small dimension. This dimension and this dimension. This is the 5 mm wall, this one. Sketch is fully defined. Now this you see. Okay. Now, future extrude boss base. This is selected. Selected contour. This one is selected. Okay. Now, extrude. Option direction 1, that is up to surface. Which surface? This surface. This is created. This is created. This wall is created. This rib is created. Okay. If you see the section view, right plane, this is position is this one. This one. This one in this way. Okay. Now cancel it. Now, if you see the drawing, now there is a bottom push. This one. In the top view, this part I will make it this part. This is slot type profile. This at a distance of 75 from this edge, and these are the two holes, through hole 8 mm and distance at a 75 mm, and hole to hole distance is 60 mm, and the extrusion of this portion is, you will see here 5 mm, where you see this portion is 5 mm. Here you will see in the front view, this portion is 5 mm extrusion. 5 mm extrusion, and total center to side 60, and from here to here 75. Now I will create this one. This one. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Now I make the section from this top view. Now, in order to make the sketch easily, I am creating this section, or slightly this one. Okay, this one, and this is the section, and normal. Now draw a center line. Again center line, draw from the midpoint, this one. Now I will make the sketch with the help of a dynamic mirror. This tool is available here. Okay, or you can go in this one tool, or if you don't find, if you don't have here, you can go in the tools, sketch tools, and there is a dynamic mirror. This one dynamic mirror. Select this line. When you will select this line, the two parallel lines will come. It means dynamic mirror is active. Okay. Now I am taking corner rectangle here. This one. Okay. No, in dynamic mirror, if you make the profile on the right side, it will appear simultaneously on the left side. This is the advantage of dynamic mirror. Okay. Now I am taking this 3-point arc. this, select one point and this point, and drag it in this way. The center will lie on this line. Okay, now out of this one, now select this line, construction, this line, construction, this one. Okay, now distance between this and this two center line, that is the 60 mm. Okay, as per drawing. Now distance between this two, this is 20 mm actually, as per drawing. This is 20 mm. Now one more thing, from here, edge of this plate, this to this is 75 mm. This is 75 mm. This one. Sketch is fully defined. Now future, extrude boss base. Extrude boss base. Extrude boss base. Blind. This one. This side is only 5 mm. Okay, and upside. This is direction, the upside. This one. This one, and out of the section. Now this is made. Okay. Now I will make the hole of 8 mm. 8 mm at a distance of 60 mm. This one. How I will make the hole? With the help of the hole wizard. Hole wizard. This window comes. There are different types of the hole. This is the counter hole. This is the counter sink hole. This is the plain hole, and these are the legacy hole, etc. Okay. I am taking this hole. This hole standard. There are various standard here. I am taking NC metric, drill size, whatever you require, you select from here. Drill size, and this dia I am taking 8 mm as per drawing. This one, 8 mm. This is 8 mm. Okay, and condition up to next. Okay, no other parameters required. So ANC metric, drill size 8 mm. If you don't find this list in this list, your dia you can show the custom and assign the value. Okay, now select the position. Which position? I select this face and normal. Now hole is activated. You will see blue indication is coming. It means hole is activated. You bring your cursor near this arc, this, you will get the center point, click. Bring your cursor near the arc, click, this one. Hole is created, and hit right button, this one. Hole is created, this one. You will see here. Now you have seen the drawing. There is a 5 mm wall here. Select this face, sketch, normal. Again draw a center line, this one, and this one. Okay, select. Now draw a corner rectangle here. This one, select this line, shift this line, symmetry. Okay, now this to this 5 mm, this to this 5 mm, this to this 5 mm, this one. Sketch is fully defined. From each side there is a 5 mm. This will be, by default it will become 5 mm. This one. This is by default value. Okay. Now future extrude cut. Now this time extrude cut. Direction is towards upside. This is 4 mm only. As per drawing, this is 4 mm wall. 4 mm depth. This one. And hit the line. And this is the wall. You will see this is the hollow portion of this thing. Okay. I have made this one. Now if you see the section view, now I will make this portion. You will see this is a cut here. You will see here is a cut. This is the 5 mm wall. If you see this is a cut, inside cut. Dia of that cut is 90 mm. This one. This is 90 mm, and this is the 5 mm wall here. Okay, and approximately 5 point something is this straight portion. Now I will draw this portion. The dia is 90 mm, 5 mm this wall. Okay, how I will draw it? And this portion I will later on, this portion at a distance of from this face is 40 mm, 14 mm. Okay, I will make this portion hollow portion. Okay, now this one. Now right plane. The right plane is sketch normal. Again normal. This view is E. Okay. Now I draw a center line here. Center line, this point, this here. Okay. Now this line here, this here, 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 and this vertical here. Now select this line, shift, and this outer edge parallel. This line parallel. Okay, this one. And this dia, select this point and this line. If you go beyond the construction line, it will show the dia. This dia is 90 mm. This facility is only when you have this construction line, then it will come. This one and this dimension and this is 5 mm. And this to this is also 5 mm. Okay, sketch is fully defined. Now future revolve cut this time, because I have to remove the material. Again this warning comes here. The sketch is currently open, of course, because this is the construction line. This is a construction line. Would you like the sketch to be automatically? Yes, I want to close it. This one and this. Hit the right button. 360 degree. This is cut here. This one. You will see there is cut. Now if you see the drawing from here, if you see the drawing, this one, you will see this portion is at a distance of 40 mm. This is a 40 mm dia. Actually this is the 40 mm dia. But from this face, from this outer face at a distance of 14 mm. I will make this thing. I will show you how to make this thing. This one. Now select this face. Select this face is sketch normal. This circle and this dia is 40 mm. This is 40 mm dia. This one. Now future extrude boss face. Selected contour. Okay, no selected contour. This face. Now because from this face at a offset of 14 mm in from condition, you select offset. What is the offset value? 14 mm. 14 mm from this face, but is going towards my side, reverse direction from here. And in this option, direction 1, up to surface. Which surface? This surface. So this extrusion is at a distance of 14 mm from this face, this circular face, and up to this face. Okay. Now hit right button. This is I have made. You will see here I have made this one. One more thing you do, option, in order to make the edges sharp, you go in this one, document property, option, image quality, and slightly extend here up to red point, and this one you will get this. Now edges are very sharp, and hit this rebuild button. This one. I have made wall, rib, this portion and inside portion. Now if you see the drawing, this is also cut here. You will see there is a cut here. You will see this 18 mm is throughout hole. Okay, and this 18 mm hole, this is the 25 mm and this is at a distance of 56, but this die is 25 mm. Okay, and this is 18 mm. So 18 mm die is 25 and 25 distance. Balance is 56, and this one. Now I will in the cylindrical part. This I will make this portion now. How I will show you. This one. Select this face. Select this face. Sketch. Normal. I will draw two circle here. This one. Two circle here. One is 18 mm and another is 25 mm. 25 mm. Okay, first I will make throughout 18 mm hole. How? Future extrude cut. In selected, because there are the more than one close boundary. So in selected contour, select this 18 mm, middle one, only this one. Now option through all, this one. Hit right button, this one. Now select the same sketch. Select same sketch, extrude cut. But this time that is a offset at a distance of 25 mm. 25 mm offset, this one. But this is coming towards my side, you will see here. Now reverse direction from here. Then, okay, 25 mm hole at a distance of this one and this one. Again, I will select this sketch, extrude cut, selected contour, select this 25 mm dia, this one, hole, complete, outer dia, select this in this contour and this in this time here. This option offset, which what is the value of offset? 25 mm. 20 mm. So this is coming toward this side. I am reversing the direction. This 25 mm die at a distance of 25 mm, but here blind distance of this one is 56 mm, because this hole is at a distance up to of 56 mm distance. Okay, and offset from this face is 25 mm. Extrude cut, this hit button, this. Now I will, if I show the section view, this one right plane, this will see. You will see here the section view. This hole 18 mm up to 25 mm. Actually, this is the throughout hole. 25 is this, 25 is this, and this portion is 56 mm, and offset is 25 mm. Okay, and it's section view. This one, you will see this is the. I have made this one out of this section view. Now, if you see the drawing, this portion. If I will make this portion in the front view, this portion. Detail view is this one. 8 mm is this dia of this 8 mm and hole is 4 mm. I will make the hole with the help of the hole wizard. First I will create this profile. Detail view is this one, 8 mm and at 101 the PCD on which I will make these profiles. How I will show you. But at a distance of from this outer face at a distance of 14 mm. Okay, and this height is you will see here. This height is 5 mm here. Okay, from here. No, this one, yes. Okay, at a distance of 14 mm. This distance from here to here 14 mm, and detail of the profile is this one. Okay, and at a PCD of 100 mm. Okay, I will show you how to make this thing. This one. First, I will make a plane. Future plane. Select this face, and reverse the direction. But distance is 14 mm. Distance is 14 mm. Hit right button. Now plane is created. This one. This plane is at a distance of 14 mm from this outer face. Okay, now select this face, sketch, normal, again normal. From this side I will first make a circle of 101 PCD. This die is 101 mm, 101 mm. Okay, now but select this, make construction. Okay, then center line. try central in this line and join this one. Okay, but if you see the drawing, this at a angle of 45 degree. How I will make smart dimensions? Select this line and this point. Select this line and this point. Select. You will get the 4 directional arrow. This is the triad. And select this horizontal arrow left side and this one. Select this line and this point. 4 directional arrow, this and this one. This and this one. 45 degree. Okay, this is the 45 degree angle. This one. Now, draw a circle here. This point. This circle die is 8 mm only. Okay, this is 8 mm. Now line from this intersection point, draw this way, this line and in this way. When you see the perpendicular relation, click and join here where the intersection point, this one. Now select this line, shift and this line, make relation perpendicular. Okay, and again this line, symmetry. Okay, now this line and this line, this make perpendicular. Now sketch is fully underdefined. Okay, give the dimension. It gives this suitable dimension. Any dimension you can take. 14th. I am taking 14 mm for example. This one. Okay, sketch is fully defined. You will see. Okay, first. Okay. Now, future extrude boss base. In selected contour, select this one and this one. But now extrude up to surface. Which surface? This tapered face, bottom one. From back side, this one. Select this point. Click here and then click here. This one. This is created. Hide the plane. This one. Okay, this is created. I will make the hole at a 4 mm at this point with the help of the hole wizard. This hole dia is 4 mm only. This one. Select this hole, this option, hole of asymmetric drill size 4 mm. Select from 4 mm here. This 4 mm. Okay. If you don't find in this list your die, you show custom and then you select the up to next option. Okay. And position. Which position? Select this face. Now the hole is activated, normal. And bring your cursor in the arc point, near arc point, and you will get the center point. Click here and hit right button. Hole is created. Now I will make the circular pattern. Circular pattern, this one, this hole is selected. Select future tree manager, boss push, boss extrude, also select. Select both the things, boss extrude, 4 mm hole also. And edge, any edge you can select, circular edge, this one. You take 4 and hit this one. And this is created. I have created this one. You will see here. Okay. Now I have made this portion, this 4 extrusion I have made. Okay. Now I will make this upper part. This one you will see here. You will see here this portion. This portion I will make. This height, this portion is at a height of 5 mm from cylindrical face. This cylindrical portion FOM, and from this face at a distance of 50 mm. And this inside hole and this die is 12 mm. This die is 12 mm. This one is 12 mm die. A hole is 4 mm, and at a distance of 50. I will make this one. I will show you how to measure this. Now, future. Again, I will create a plane. Plane, top plane, top plane. But this is from this cylindrical face to up to at a distance for 5 mm. How I will make this one? This, actually this die is 40 mm. So 40 divided by 2 plus 5 mm. This one. It means 25 mm. From center up to at a distance of 25 mm. Okay. And hit right button upside. This one. This plane is created. Now plane is sketch normal. Okay. Now draw a center line. Center line is very useful in order to assign this one. Now first draw a circle. Here. This is 12 mm die. Okay. Now this, from this quadrant to this one, and this, and select this line vertically. Okay. Now dimension from this to this, this is 50 mm. Sketch is fully defined. Okay. Now future extrude boss base up to surface. Selected contour, this one, up to surface. Which surface? This surface, not this. Okay. This I have made this one. Now I will make a hole at the center point. Okay. How? Hole wizard. Asymmetric, this hole is, I am selected this option, this one, asymmetric, drill size 4 mm, same hole, up to next. Position, which position? Select this face. First select the face, normal, hole is activated, you will see blue indication is coming. Bring your cursor near the arc point, you will get the center point, this one. And click here and hit right button. This is created, this one. I will show you. Select this plane, hide this one. There is one more hole here. At a distance of, you will see there is one more hole here. This one at a distance of 35 from this cylindrical end. Okay, I will show you how to measure this, how to make this one. This one. Now hole wizard. This option, drills hole, drills asymmetric, drill size same hole, up to next. Position. Now select cylindrical face. This face, hole is activated. Now assign any point here, this one. Now here select the right plane. Select right plane, right click, select out of this one. Out right plane and select this point, shift and this. Delete this. First delete. Hole wizard. This hole 4 mm. Up to next same parameter and position and select this face. Now hole is activated. Mark here. This one and right click, select out of this hole, select the right plane, select and shift this point. You will get this option on plane. Click here. Now this hole is aligned with this right plane. Okay, and hit right button. This one, and smart dimension from this face to this. This is 35 mm. Okay, this one, and this one, hit right button. This one. This hole is created. I will show you. If I take the section view, you will see this one. This one. This hole is created here. Out of this section. First, you will see there here is the extra portion is coming. How I will remove it? In the tab section, you will find this option direct editing. If you don't find, right click tab and direct editing, you can check it. I have already this tab here. So don't direct editing, delete face. Select this face, this, and this face, and bottom face also. And hit right button. This is removed. In this way, you can remove it. Okay. Now select this option. I will make first hole here. Future, hole wizard, drill option. This one 4 mm. This one position. Select this face. Normal, and this one, and future, circular pattern, this one, and this boss extrude, this one, 4 pattern, edge, any circular edge, 4, this is made. Okay, plane. Now I have left this item. Same thing. Hole wizard. This hole. Drill size, same size. Position. Select this face. You will see this coming near. Bring your cursor near this and this hole. This one. Okay. Now this I already made here. Okay. Delete face, I have made this one. If I show you section, this one, this time, these are the 2 holes which I have. You will see here. And this is the section view of right plane. And this one, you will see. I have completed approximately all the things. Now, drawing, you will see here one thing more. I have created all the things approximate. Now you will see this extra. This is extrusion. From this height is 120 mm and 60 mm is the width, and width is 5 mm here, and total height is here 120 mm, 60 mm width, and thickness is 5 mm. Okay, I will make this one. Now this. Now how I will make? Select this face, sketch, normal, center line, this one. This one, select this line, this one, out, again, this, this one, select this line, shift this line and this line, make relation symmetric, and this is 60 mm, this is 60 mm, okay, and this total height from bottom to this is 120 mm, this one, this is 120. Sketch is fully defined, but one thing, select this line, only this line, convert entity, okay, trim entity, this all trim, okay, and hit this one, okay. Now future extrude boss base, selected contour, only this one, but extrusion is coming towards my side, reverse the direction, blind option, and thickness is only 5 mm, this one, this I have made this one. You will see I have completed all the things. You can apply the necessary fillets. I have in the drawing I have not provided any fillet here. You will see you will see the section view. I have made this whole portion and these two holes and this inside portion, and this hole is left out, and this is the, if you see the drawing, this hole is in the right view. This is a 10 mm hole at a height of 20 mm and distance from here, from this side 40 mm. I will make this thing only, this one. Now select this face, sketch normal, this one, circle this one, this is 10 mm, 10 mm, this one, and height from here to here is 20 mm, and distance from this face 45 mm, 45 mm, okay. Now sketch is fully defined. Now future extrude cut, this one, through wall, this one, blind, actually wall is 5 mm, okay, wall is 5 mm, and this one, and hole it made, this one, this one. If you see the section view, this is I have completed all the things, bottom portion of this, okay. Now you can also make the fillet also. Fillet, suppose fillet I am taking constant radius fillet, yeah, I am taking suppose 2 mm, select this face, you will see this one provide here, and also provide here, this select the whole face also. If you click this one, you can fillet, provide fillets. You can also provide fillet here also, here 2 mm, this one. Where the sharp edges you provide the fillets, this one, and here provide 1 mm fillet, this one, and this one. No, if you face this problem, you select one by one. Let clear all, not face. This one by one. If you select all the edges, and if fillet fails, you select one by one. In this way you can select one by one. This one come, all are selected actually. In this way you can provide all the fillets and you can provide the color here also, appearance, this one, this option, you can provide the color also, and you can also provide the material in this portion. In the future terminal, is right click, edit material, you can select any other material, ASI04, this one, okay, and you can change the unit also from here. Okay, yeah, from here you can change the unit also, and these are the properties of the material. Apply, close, this one you can provide here. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. This is a long exercise, and there you have learned the you will learn the various things, hole wizard, revolve cut, and extrude cut, and this portion, and hole wizard is very important, and this is the, and how to make the fillets, etc. So various things you have learned this thing in this exercise. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you. Please subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.